Another Russian occupier is nominated for a Darwin Award. Additional footage shows the destruction of a mechanized column of over 50 vehicles near Pishchene in the Kupyansk direction, captured from the perspective of operators from the 77th Airmobile Brigade. The 135th Separate Territorial Defense Battalion of the 114th Brigade repelled another assault in the Luhansk region and successfully struck a Russian tank. Russian jet ski athletes were targeted on the Dnipro River. The SBU's Special Operations Center A directed a HIMARS strike on an MTLB equipped with a Grad rocket launcher in Volokhansk-Kursk region. Glorious Russian Army. You don't need translation, grab a popcorn and enjoy.
Хуй бычий, сука. Еще раз вы проебете технику. Уёб. Вставай, хули ты вывалилась. Вот, туры отработанные. Кто тебя снял с позиции? А? Так работает тур, нахуй. Понял? Еще раз ты, тварь ебаная, не будешь нахуй на точку, я тебе там справа въебало, уёбище. Понял меня? Проснулся нахуй. Встал, тварь ебаная.
Revenge group within the 3rd Assault Brigade pours down thermite on Russian positions. This Russian occupier was captured on his birthday. No doubt it saved his life.
Фамилия, имя, отчество.
Голов Денис Петрович.
Число, месяц, год рождения.
27.09.87.
27.09, который у тебя сегодня день рождения?
Сегодня.
Понял. Что с тобой случилось?
Взяли в плен волки, подразделение волки да Винчи за Украинском.
Понял. А что бы в свой день рождения решил сдаться в плен?
Была боевая задача сегодня.
From Ukraine, Su-27 fly together with F-16. For the end, Danish F-16 showing its precision strikes. This cop needs a raise.
What the fuck?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.